Manufacturing Enhancements for Mechanical Engineers. Section 1.1 Machining Process Milling. Let us consider 3 CNC milling machining centers that may be used in manufacturing your designed part. The only thing we will not be showing is a manual 3-axis milling machine commonly found in machine shops for making single, less complicated parts. Our first CNC mill operates using the most common and standard 3 axes. You have the X-axis, the Y-axis, and the Z-axis. The next CNC mill is a standard 3-axis machining center with the addition of a motorized rotary indexer mounted onto the X-axis table. This simple addition now gives you the Y-axis, X-axis, Z-axis, and an A-axis. This is an example of one type of 5-axis machining center. There are other variations where there are multiple axes of movement at the end of the Z-axis spindle. In this case, the X and Y axis are a part of the Z-axis housing, and a rotary tilt table and indexer is mounted where usually the X and Y axis would be. Here are all the axis movements. To view various machine axes in operation and what they're capable of, please go to the Section 1.1 optional video. Otherwise, please continue to Section 1.2 Mill Cutting Tools.